Hello guys, welcome to how to videos. In this tutorial I will be teaching you how to set up your Linktree account. Basically the Linktree is just a container for all your other links. It's a link that you can put your Facebook link, your Twitter link, your Instagram link, all your social media link basically can be you can put it in your Linktree link, and you can use your Linktree link in to broadcast a lot of things. And Linktree can also be used for maybe you sell product. You can use your Linktree to sell product. You want to share your contacts with people, you can also use your Linktree to share your contacts with people. All right, you want to take payment, you want to raise funds. I mean, those are part of the things that you can do with your Linktree. I will be using my phone for this particular tutorial, but the idea also works for with your system. All right, so let's go straight to it. Thank you. All right, so the first thing for you to do is go to your browser, open your browser and search for Linktree. All right, what you have here, linktr.ee, linktr.ee. I'll be leaving the link in the description below, so you can just check it. linktr.ee. So you search for that. So definitely what you want to do is to sign up. If you have an account already, you just log in, but the first thing you want to do is for you to sign up. So click on the sign up button. All right, so when you click on the sign up button, you have something exactly like this. So it's free. All right, of course there is a paid plan. All right, so but basically what we'll be doing now is going to be free. So I'll be creating an account. Just now you choose your username. Of course the username will be a unique username. It's not going to be something that is generally used. Like if I say I want to use Linktree/John, I can't use that again. All right, so I'm going to use something that's okay. Let me just try it. So if I type /John, all right, I know that one will have been taken already. All right, it said the username John is already taken. So I'm going to create an account right now. So I'll be using a name DEZZRY. All right, so this username is available. You can see that the thing marked it as available. So the next thing is that I will be putting username, my email. All right, email. All right, so baristadesri@gmail.com. So the password. So when you put in your password, the next thing for you to do is to sign up. So I will sign up. So the next thing is that what is my name? All right, I'm going to impute. I'm creating this account for my friend, so I'm going to impute her name. Her name is what's her name again? Her name is Akinlabi Ades Solar. All right, so what is the category? All right, I will put fashion and beauty. Up and right. Yeah, so you can just choose any of the category that properly fits you from the category listed below. All right, and what part of the fashion and beauty is she into? Yes, this one is optional. The second part is optional, but I know she's into ear care. Am I right? Ear care, right? Ear care. So I click on continue. All right, so just like I said it the other time, there are many options. They have the starter plan, which is $5 per month. All right, and $9 for pro, premium, 24, and the likes. All right, but for this tutorial we'll be choosing the free plan. All right, after you choose the free plan, then you go down, you say get free. Okay. All right, so to verify, so definitely by now they will have sent a link to our email to verify our account, but you can definitely do that later. All right, that is very, very important in case you forgot your password and you want to recover your account back. So it's important for you to verify your email. All right, however, I will continue to my Linktree. All right, so this is how the Linktree uh, looks like. All right, so the next thing you have to do now is to start adding links. Now if you can check this particular place, you wrote my link tree, and so our link tree now is https colon double slash link tree slash Desiree. All right, so with this particular link, the beauty of Linktree is that with this particular link she can put in different links. All right, and 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 share this particular link, so that a Facebook link, a Twitter link, a Instagram link, a Facebook page, whatever link she has can actually be seen or can actually be accessed through this particular link. So now she can add a custom link by herself, assuming she has a website. Let me write website. You can name it website, and let me say the name of our website is .com. All right, so that's what I will do basically, and that is it. So it's there already, and I can decide to, okay, maybe I want to add a custom picture, all right, to this particular what's it called, to this particular. So there are more options here. So if I want to add picture, I can just click on this particular one. So I can add a thumbnail. Yeah, thumbnail. So select thumbnail. I can choose from upload a new thumbnail or choose from the one there. So I'll just choose from the one here already. So I'm just going to choose anything here, just to for you to just get the logic. Okay, so let me just choose this. So I will add a Facebook link now. So I will go to explore. All right, so the link tree has some websites that are already built in. So instead of you adding a custom link, you can click on the explore. So you can see you want to share music or get more streams. All right, your video. All right, just organizing you have YouTube, you have Spotify, you have Facebook, you have many other options, Netflix and the likes. All right, you have your podcast. All right, maybe you have your podcast on Apple or Spotify or one of these podcasting platforms. You can definitely add it to your link tree. Okay, so right now we'll just be adding a Facebook account here. All right, so okay, so Facebook. So that's what I will be doing. I will be adding a Facebook profile link here. So just call it Facebook profile link. Okay, so and I will be adding the URL there. So for a Facebook profile link. So that is a Facebook profile link. Of course, I guess, and I hope you know how to find out your Facebook profile link, all of your social links. All right, just go to your profile and you can click on share. All right, and you can copy the link and come and paste it here. So all right, this is exactly what you really have. You can explore your options on how to navigate. But basically, that is, if it's a custom link, just add new. But if it's one of the links that are already there, you can decide to choose what you really want. All right, so and this is exactly what it's going to look like. Okay, now let's see how it's going to look like for this color if you search on a link. All right, so this is how it's going to look on a page. You have where she has she can change it to a picture. This is a profile link. When you click on it, to take you to a Facebook page. You can see that. So if I'm logged in on my Facebook now, see our pictures here. Okay, so I will go back. So also our website. All right, the website, and that's it. All right, so but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be showing you my personal Linktree account, so that you see when you properly set up your Linktree account what it will look like. So now we'll log in to my account. So you can log in into your account. I have, so this is my personal account. My Linktree is link linktr.ee/igigod, and that's my password. So yeah, you can see my own account. I have my contact so that anybody who wants to contact me can contact me easily. This is my Twitter account. This is my Facebook account. This is my Instagram account. I have a Spotify account. All right. I have a podcast. I have a YouTube channel. All right. I have 2 YouTube channels, and maybe you want to leave me a message. All right. All this you can actually do under the Explore here. All right. So under the Explore here, you have all those options. Now look at this one. You have a store. All right. Maybe you are selling a product. You can add a product. Look at this one. Tip jar, collect tips and raise fund. All right. You have the request. Earn money by taking paid requests. You can add your PayPal accounts. All right. Grow your follower. Now this particular one, this is how I added contact form, contact details. All right. Maybe you want to add contact of another one. Maybe I want to add the contact of Barrister Desiree, all right, and which will be downloadable for you. I can also do that. All right, so basically that is just how to do it. So this contact form is the one I have here. All right, this contact form. Sorry that you want to give me a message. All right, you want to request something from me, and this is how you are going to see. So let me preview mine. Okay, so this is how mine is going to look like. I hope you can see this is how mine is going to. Let me show you properly on a new tab. Let me show you on a new tab. You have Linktree /igigod. All right, you can see how beautiful this is. All right, so it's just you exploring your options. So if you click any of this link, if you click my contacts, all right, so you verify your identity. So this is it, my email, my work email. All right, and my phone number, my Linktree address. You can save the contact. If you save the contact, okay, so if you save the contact, you'll be able to download it and just have it on your phone. Okay, so I can close it. If you click on the Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. All right, so basically that's how it works. On Facebook, you just take it directly to Facebook. Okay, you can see that. Right, on Instagram, all right, you can open it on Instagram. On Spotify, okay, I have the Spotify here. Okay, and from Spotify I can play. Okay, I made this so that I can play my latest what's it called, podcast. All right, so this is Spotify for you. So I have a podcast. Okay, so that's some podcast. You can listen on many other places, on Apple Podcast, on Google Play. Just you see, you can see how it's arranging, and I mean this is very, very nice, and this is 100% free. All right, I have my personal podcast, which is on Anchor FM. Okay, anchor.fm/thegrowth. Right, so when you go there, you have something exactly like this. Okay, you can see this. All right, okay, so and what's this? I think this the Growth Network is a YouTube channel. All right, this is my second YouTube channel. Okay, so I have this. You can also check it out and subscribe. Okay, and okay, for the how-to videos, this particular channel, okay, this is it, so you can also check it out. Right, I mean you can see how interesting it is. And if you want to leave me a message, all right, your name, your address, your phone number, and you type the message and you send, I will receive this message directly to my email. All right, straight up I will go to my Instagram. For example, I'll go to my Instagram. I'm sure Instagram only allow you to put just one link. Okay, so I'll go to my Instagram. I will edit my profile. Okay, so my website here, so I can just, so instead of putting my Facebook link or my podcast link or my YouTube link, I can decide to put tr.ee slash okay, my username. Okay, and voila, that's what you have basically. So when I click on this, I can, okay, so yeah, you can see the link underneath. So with that, when you click on this link from my Instagram page, it will just take you directly to the Linktree account, and you can see this. I guess this is beautiful, right? Okay, so you can also design yours to be as good and perfect as this. All right, so if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below, and if you want us to make a video concerning anything, you can also leave it in the comment box below. We would work on it. Thank you. See you another time.